Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can make this bralette strap. You can also use a strap as a handle for your bags and any other thing of choice that you love. You just need a 3.5mm crochet hook and a cotton yarn. If you are joining me for the first time today, you are welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like and comment on my videos. In order to begin, we are going to make a slip knot. In order to make a slip knot, yarn over, lock it, chain 4. Then make a treble crochet into the first chain stitch. In order to make a treble crochet, you are going to yarn over 2 times. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, pull out 2, yarn over, and then pull all through. Chain 1, single crochet into this space. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, make a single crochet, chain 1. You have a total of 6 single crochet all around. Then connect with a slip stitch. Inside your hook, make a single crochet, chain 3, make a treble crochet into the single crochet you've made. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, yarn over, drop 2 loops, drop 2 loops, then drop the final loop, chain 1, make single crochet, 1, then chain, make the remaining 3 single crochet in the second half. Chain 1, join with a slip stitch. Slip stitch So you're going to repeat this until you've made this cycle a total of 15.